Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward with the final update on the revised cutoff of NEET MDS 2024. I have also done with the mail part that I have done mail to the NBE MCC. I have talk on call also. I have tell them all the scenario. Even I have used some few sources. Still there is no release of the revised cutoff. More than that, I can't do anything, right? It is not in my hand. I know it is quite depressing to make this video. I think in last 4-5 years, this is the first time when I'm fabricating the video, but I am not feeling good. Reason behind, it is quite depressing for me too that the non-eligible students are right now not eligible in the NEET MDS 2024 counseling because there is no release of the revised cutoff. Officially, there is no update, and unofficially, I have tried with everything. Even as an aspirant, you have also tried a lot. Even the students which are there in my group, they are also tried a lot. Those who are not there, they are also tried a lot. But still, we are done with the All India Round 3 choice filling, choice locking has also come up, and we are done with that. Even different state has releases their seat matrix today regarding the third round. So when we see the seat matrix and all the scenario, now the final thing is it's next to impossible. Like 96 to 97% the chances are there that there will be no revised cutoff. Reason behind the seats are not there. In case of dentistry, you all know that our MDS seats has not been increased every year as in case of NEET PG, right? So somewhere somehow this could be the one reason. So seats are not there. And second thing is, this year maximum number of the students have given the NEET MDS 2024. 28,000 students are there who have given this exam. And still there is not upgradation in the seat. So definitely the chances of getting the revised cutoff is impossible because there is no seat left. Even in All India and even in case of the states, whatever the seats is left, that will be filled by the remaining eligible students. So even after this, if there could be a chance of revised cutoff, it could be hardly 3%, 4%. So my message to you is simply as that please start studying for NEET MDS 2025. Come back and get the MDS branch. As simple as that, because now it is too late and I don't want you to waste your time. Those who are not eligible, don't expect a revised cutoff even if it will come by the 21st. I am hoping, still I am the one who is hoping that by the 21st August at least they will release some revised cutoff, but the seats which will be left that are not that much good, not that much great college or not that much great branch will be there. Even if we talk about those states where the second round has been done or the second round is going on, whatever it is, even the good colleges, good branches are not there. So it's my humble request, those who are not eligible in the NEET MDS 2024 counseling, open your book and start doing the preparation for NEET MDS 2025. I know it is very depressing, but this is a fact. And this is happening for the first time in a decade. Like the revised cutoff has not come, right? So that's all about the final update. And one more thing. Whenever you prepare for the NEET MDS 2025, make sure you will look forward to the new pattern which is there regarding the NEET MDS 2025 examination. Already I have fabricated the video on that. Go and do check out that video. I will definitely put the link of that video in the I button. I'll put the link in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. That is the final update, that there is no revised cutoff, no update is there, and chances of getting the revised cutoff is hardly 2%, 3%, 4%. And even if you become eligible, you will not get a very good branch, not get a very good college. So better don't waste your time, start doing the preparation for the next year. That's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. And if you need any kind of the help in the NEET MDS 2025 preparation, do contact me by any of the mode. Thank you.